Yo, what is good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So ngayong araw, no, we are on our episode 3, no, ng SB19 story, and that's The Wave. Merong open and close parenthesis na very inspiring, no? Again, pag out ko pa sa trabaho kanina, gusto ko na panoorin to, no? Pero iba talaga pag naka-earphone ka, man. Iba talaga yung experience pag naka-earphone ka, no? So, yeah, I mean, bumili muna tayo, no? Pero, again, we have The Wave, no? SB19 Story Episode 3. I mean, hindi natin, no? Without no further ado, man, let's get it.
Would you believe me if I said that SB19 would be successful?
Okay, no? So, natin nga, no? The Wave, no? Nakita niyo yung ginawa ng crowd, di ba? Yung tinatawag ng The Wave pag gagaling yung crowd. Share ko lang. Galing ang ginawa nila doon. And at the same time, yung wave, no? Yung tubig, okay. Yan, no?
Would you believe me if I said that SB19 would be successful if I met them 3 years ago? You'd probably think I'm cheating because I'm talking from the present. And your past self would never believe me because I might have only seen them as a trying hard boy group who had to wear the same clothes over and over and over and over again because they couldn't afford a nice variety. But what if despite all this, they already knew what's gonna happen?
Itong mga to, sigurado ako in the future, magiging successful kami.
They knew their destiny. Pablo's username reads, I'm Seasmite. A random fan asked, why? He answered, it also means seismic, like Earth's vibrations. It's something big and important, so when I seize the mic, I create this impact, like an earthquake. And when an earthquake happens,
Pablo, no, napakagaling na talaga niya sa mga salita, no? Paano niya laruin yung mga salita, I seize mic, no? Because when I seize the mic, parang ladagundong, no? There's going to be a seismic. Galing.
you know what's next after that? Are you sure you don't know? Do you actually want me to spell it out to you? Okay, let me show you.
Yung trailer, no? The wave, no? So pag merong yanig o lindol na nangyayari, again, syempre maramdaman nyo sa dagat, no? There's going to be a wave, like a tsunami, no? Okay. Kung may nangyaring dagundong, may wave na mangyayari, no? Man, you can make it as a double entendre, no? Like for example, gumawa ka ng ingay or ng dagundong, no? It's going to create a wave, no? Na mararamdaman ng mga tao kahit malayo. Nice. I'm reaching too much.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Pablo.
Wait. Ito yung sa mga pinakaunang music video, by the way, ng SB19 na napanood ko. Hindi ko pa sila kilala dito. Wala akong kilala sa kanila kahit isa, no? Again, I just enjoyed their music that time, the Bazinga. Pero hindi yung pinakaunang tayo nakita ko yung abs ni abs ni Josh. And nangarap tayo na mag-abs din, no? Pero ang hirap tumigil sa pagkain.
If you're new here, you're probably wondering how he ended up there. This is called Triple.
Get in the zone! Wait!
Finally,
By the way, no, sorry sa posing ulit. Again, props sa nag-edit, no, and yung timing ng music sa mga clips na pinapakita, no, na tagang choreography, yung editing din yung background music. Nakadagdag siya sa hype, no?
they were starting to go up. They were very young.
Go up.
This was the time when they were still trying to figure out their musical identity.
Yeah.
Enter the Get in the Zone album. Just check out the level of variety.
Burning up di na matatanggi. Di unting lunurin ang aking nadarama.
Wait. Ilan na ba ang album ng SB19? Kasi napaigaw ko na yung pagtatag nila eh. Like how many albums and EPs na ba meron ng SB19? Kasi meron itong Get in the Zone. I assume based dito sa documentary, this is the first album that they have. I assume. Comment down below kung ano. Pero yeah, I mean, I'm because I'm trying to like react to those albums, no? Because again, ang ganda sa album is again it consists of multiple songs ng mga artist or ng artist na yon. And usually kung nakinig ka sa album ng artist na yon, na lalabas silang album, sometimes it's like a journey, parang nag-adventure. It gives you roller coaster emotions. Kaya gusto kong nakikinig ng album ng mga artist na kung napaka-interesting ng artist and gusto ko yung artist, no. So yeah, I mean, again, nagkaka tayo sa pagkatag EP ba yun or album? Buong album yun. I mean, kung gusto yung panoorin na sa mga video ko, no. Pero yeah, I mean, I just enjoy it, no. So, I might watch this. At the same time, ang dami nag-request sa inyo ng mga ganito, ng mga ganyan. I mean, pupuntahan natin yan, tatapusin lang natin to, no. Unahin natin to. Again, sabi kayo na may remake nga yung episode 1. I mean, tapusin mo natin to, tapos tingnan natin kung ano yung feeling ng remake ng episode 1, no? After natin matapos yung buong episode. And at the same time, yung mga like Tilaluha, no? Bala ko mag-react sa Tilaluha. At depende sa yung sabi nyo na magandang version, mag-react din tayo doon. But yeah, there's a lot, man. There's a lot of, di makapaniwala na there's like a lot of content, no? Na pwedeng panoorin. SB19, not just music, but documentaries, vlogs, and all of these music videos, and all of these performance videos. So, again, I hope na samahan nyo ako, panood natin ang lahat, no? Yeah. Get it this way.
Yeah, we gonna go up. Ibibigay ko ang aking puso. At kahit pa ang mundo ay mag-iba, huwag mong itunok ang iyong loob. Nariyan ang kaibigan mo. The only one I never say goodbye.
It was definitely a
Bakit tunog? Parang tunog doon na yun, tunog novelty song.
Huwag mong itunok ang iyong loob. Nariyan ang kaibigan mo. The only one I never say goodbye.
It was definitely a mix of everything. The
Yeah.
Bashers immediately saw this as a weakness. They were seen as a group who didn't know what they were doing. Despite all the hate, 18 didn't get affected as they started to get to know the boys on a deeper level.
Yeah.
We got to know their fun side,
Si Ken naman po, nung na-meet ko to dati sa cover group, parang sabi ko, feeling ko mayabang to, parang ganun po, mayabang to, tapos tumbling-tumbling ka pa dyan, ganun, tumbling-tumbling pa to.
Uy, judgmental sister.
Parang lagi siyang may sariling mundo, hindi po siya belong sa amin.
Tinanong siya ng teacher namin, sa tingin mo sino pinakamagaling sumayaw? Ako! Sabi niya po.
Ikaw, me, ako po, sinabi ko po talaga.
Ay, kung confident ka naman, bakit
I mean, di ba? Kung gusto mong paniwalaan yung sarili mo na magaling ka, sometimes you just have to manifest, no? No? I mean, again, sometimes it might look mayabang, no? Pero at the same time, man, kung confident ka naman, I don't know kung dahil sabi ko hindi ko alam kung porket favorite ko ba si Philip, kaya siya parang nagtatagal dito, no? Pero I mean, it is what it is.
Ang galing ko po talaga.
Si Justin po, una ko nakita to. Pogi. Siguro mayabang to.
Si Justin naman po, nung una ko po siyang nakita, sabi ko, typical guy.
Si Justin naman, ako siya nakita, no? Again, pogi. I mean, come on, man. Yung itsura ni Justin yung standard na, yung basihan ng mga tagong pogi. Di ba? lalo sa Pilipinas, di ba, yung cute face, baby face, na nagwa-pings, no? Pero I mean, yung mukha niya kasi is yung nga, parang cutesy na gwapo. I mean, di ko nakita na parang mayabang si Justin yung dating niya.
Man, bakit
Yes
hindi,
po.
di ba?
Ang galing ko po talaga.
Si Justin po, una ko nakita to. Oh, pogi. Siguro mayabang to.
Si Justin naman po, nung una ko po siyang nakita, sabi ko, typical guy. Parang ganon. Sorry!
Si Justin po, parang pure, parang inosente. Pero,
Yeah.
nalaman ko
It's
hindi
not
po.
pure or hindi
Si
pala.
Stal, sobrang friendly po. Siya po yung happy pill namin.
Di ko alam na siya pala yung main vocal po kasi akala ko magaling na talaga siya sumayaw. First impression ko po kay Josh, mabait po siya na may mayabang po nandun.
Ayun.
Tinatry niya lang maging maangas pero deep inside hindi talaga.
Softy pala, softy.
Si Sejun, akala ko po hindi siya yung leader.
Nung una, ang weird niya po, nagsasalita mag-isa, parang bigla na lang siya nagaganon.
Oy, isa yan sa mga mannerism ng mga rapper. Madalas ko rin ginagawa yan, no? Wait a minute. Hindi yan naman sinabi sa akin na may damit ng bata dito. But yeah, yun, no? So mannerism ng kadalasan ng mga rapper yan, no? Kasi, I don't know, sa iba, no? Pero ako kasi, yung may mga, for example, tahimik ka lang. Tapos, whatever yung ginagawa, minsan tumatakbo yung isip ko kung ano-ano. Minsan, isip ako ng rhyming, no? Suddenly, nagawa ko siya ng flow, yung words, kung paano siya mag-rhyme, and then, nakita man ako yung, gano'n ako, may kamay pa eh. And at the same time, makakita, maghahanap ako hanap ko agad yung phone ko or isusulat ko agad na para hindi mo makalimutan. But yeah, I mean, that's mannerism of a songwriter, no? Or a rapper. Lalo na sa rapper, no? Kasi yung songwriter kasi, I mean, pwedeng songwriter ka na ballad, no? Pero kasi pinaka-weird is yung songwriter ka na rapper, no? Kasi habang iniisip mo siya, ito lang magsasabi lang, kala mo, ano mo nagbabasa Latin eh.
Sa isang tabi po, nakatayo siya sa gilid. Tapos may training kami, tapos biglang gaganon. Tapos biglang gaganon siya. Gaganon po siya sa gilid. Sabi ko, anong ginagawa na? Nagre-ritual pa to sa gilid?
We also got to know their internal battles.
To all of our families, especially to our parents, and sa mama ko at sa kapatid ko. Thank you kasi lagi may po sinusuporta. Kahit sobrang hilig ko sa buhay sa buhay.
Shit, man. Ako sa iba ko kahit si Josh ng ganito, no?
Pero nandiyan lang yung para sa thank you. Gusto ko mag-thank you sa apat na to. Gusto ko pasalamat sa apat na to kasi dito namin iniwan. So, may nangyari na lahat na hindi ka lang magkahiwalay ng grupo pero yung bumalik sila kasi hindi nila ako iniwan. Parang naisip namin na mas maganda ituloy namin yung sila. Gusto ko mag-thank you sa bawat member kasi sila yung pinaka-unang hindi sila yung dati naniniwala sa akin pag hindi ko na kaya sila yung nagtulong sa kanya ako.
Lalo na pag yung tipong pangarap nyo, tapos dumating kayo sa pagkakataon parang andito pa tayo sa umpisa na parang kawatak-patak na agad. Tapos ikaw tong parang glue ng grupo nyo na naandun pa rin, no? Pinipilit mong buuin, no? Tapos yun, dahil nga sa'yo, nabuo ulit sila, buo ulit kayo, no? Tapos andito na kayo sa sitwasyon na yun, nakakaya talaga yun, men.
So, yan, si Sergio, si Justin, si Ken, si Josh, lahat, my showbiz dito. I love you so much. Since na napasalamatan na po nila lahat, sorry po pasalamat si Sir Robin for building this. Kung wala
Hindi mo sa ulo.
hindi kami mabibigyan. Walang showbiz, walang show na to, wala kayo dito. Parang, it's because of Sir Robin.
And And just like that, SB19 got us into their zone. So back to the album. As unique as each of the songs was, all 7 of them managed to reach the #1 spot of Billboard's Lyric Fine Global chart. It's still insane thinking about it today. And they weren't done. They also appeared in Billboard's top Social 50, peaking at #3. Or so they thought.
And aside from that, eto nagbabasa rin ako ng mga comments naman sa ating comment section. Kasi di ba yung last na pinost ninyo is #3 kayo sa Billboard Social 50. Pero ngayon, #2 na kayo, guys! Oh, what? At Billboard Social 50, may mga nagko-comment dito. And #6 na kayo. #7, di ba?
What's mind-blowing about this, no, is yung nakita yung reaction nila kasi I mean, di na nila alam. No? At the same time, man, diba na yung tsura ni Stel dito, no? Ito na yung malipas na go up, this is the glow up, man! Let's go!
Last na yung pinost, #6 na. Emerging artist, congratulations! Oh, diba?
They couldn't believe it. Stel ended up forgetting that he was in a live interview because he had to check it himself. Yep, it's real. September 1st, 2020, a well-known artist canceled an Instagram live interview with MTV scheduled for the next day. So MTV host Kevin Kinney invited SB19 on a short notice to fill in. An opportunity knocked, they answered.
Oh my God.
Who wants to go first?
For me, I would like to collaborate with Mr. Bruno Mars.
2 weeks later, Kevin made a bold prediction.
We ask a lot of people for interviews. A lot of people that you want us to interview, we take it very seriously and we reach out. Some people, you'd be amazed, don't have the time of day, can't find the time, can't do it. Oh, you know, that's tough. Okay, no harm, no foul. Then there's the people that are like, name the time, name the place.
Name the place.
SB19 did that at 9 p.m. They'd never done an Instagram Live before. They didn't know if they could be together. They made it a point to not only be together at 9 p.m. because they knew that was the only time that it worked for this US-based host. That type of work ethic is going to take them very far in the music industry.
Yeah, tinan mo. Again, MTV is international, no? Sila mismo yung nag-adjust. 9 p.m. sa atin, no? I mean, it's like, what? 8 a.m. sa America, right? Yeah.
I'm also very good at predicting music, okay? Right? I'm like the MTV push of hosts. The same way that MTV knows how to pick winners, I know how to pick winners. I said on this very after show, SB19 are going to be big stars. I said it on my IG Live. I've said it to you in private, Caitlin. I've said it to Banjo. You know, he didn't say anything back. SB19 are going to be big stars. They have it. Charismatic. They're
I mean, come on, you really have to put in the work talaga, no, para makuha mo yung gusto mo, right? I mean, at this point, di ba, ano na sila eh, kilala na sila sa Pilipinas eh, no? Pero again, meron silang pangarap eh, no? Hindi nila gusto na mag-stop na lang doon, no? Mag-stop na lang doon, di ba? Isipin mo, may iba dyan na sa sobrang laki na ng ulo or nakaramdam ng, or nakaranas ng konting popularity. I mean, parang hindi mo na maano eh, no? Hindi mo na, tawag dito, malagay sa parang pressure, no? Gusto nila parang ano, dapat laging pupunta sa kung paano nila gusto, na walang pressure, no? Smooth ride. Pero I mean, kung hindi naman laging smooth ride papunta sa pangarap mo, no? I mean, never yun nangyari, no? Depende na lang kung pinanganak ka sa pamilyang bilyonaryo, no? Simula baby ka lang hanggang paglaki mo, men. Yun yung mga may cheat code sa buhay, no? Pero I mean, 80% natin lahat dito, no? Gusto mo talaga makuha yung pangarap, hindi naman lahat smooth ride, di ba? So, yeah, I mean, again, napakagandang napakagandang characteristic and attitude and ugali ng SB19, no? Na kung sa tingin mo hindi pa to yung goal mo, kahit na medyo andun ka na, I mean, still have to put in the work, man.
They're hardworking. Today's date is September 18th, 2020, when I'm saying this, okay? I want somebody to post this on September 18th, 2021, and you can see how right I am because of how much larger
You are fucking
and
right,
more well
man.
known SB19 will be a year from this date right here.
And when 2021 started, he reminded people about what's to come.
4 years into my career, I've seen some people come and go, and I've seen some journeys, and you can spot things, right? You can notice trends, you can notice similarities. SB19 right now, and the lock that 18 has on the voting week in and week out, and seeing them rise up the Social 50 chart over at Billboard, it's very akin, it's very similar to what was going on with BTS 2017, 2018. Now, I hope SB19 can reach those heights. I'm rooting for them. Those guys are awesome guys and hard-working guys. I've interviewed them after like incredibly 10-hour plus work days of rehearsal and choreography practice, and they still put a smile on their face, and they're incredibly hardworking. I think that's really aside from the music being good, it's the work ethic that's going to take them to the top. So my prediction is they're going to break out in a huge way this year. So take that for what it's worth, 18.
Let's go.
Then what happened? Kevin's prediction came true.
18 SB19. Congratulations.
This song was on the next level. It showcased Pablo's songwriting skills,
Nagsimula no pero wala na akong balak na tapusin.
Ken's dance moves and unique sound,
Lahat ng aking basura pupulutin lagi nila.
Still's heavenly voice and choreography, the most iconic rap verse in all of P-pop by Josh, and Justin's brilliant mind, which created a spectacle no one has ever seen in the country. It became the fastest P-pop music video to reach 1 million views in just 16 hours. SB19 sent shockwaves that reminded people of what they are capable of.
Meron na akong natanaw na ako ang ilang music video nga what na-encourage ko.
The world got inspired, so it responded with a giant wave of appreciation.
Gusto ko rin ipagmalaki yung SB19 talaga.
SB19.
Yung last video nila, yung What?
Uy, maganda yun.
Ang ganda ng video, di ba?
Ang gagaling, grabe. Grabe.
Let's go.
I think
That's my
doon
goal, by
mo
the
rin
way.
naman makikita
That's
na
my
hindi mo
goal, by
pwedeng
the way.
hindi mo pwedeng pulaan ng isang tao na nag-prepare
Oo.
hanggang sa makakita siya ng opportunity para gamitin yung preparation na yun. Walang pinagkaiba yan kay Manny Pacquiao eh. Na nag-train.
Di ba? Kasi di ba, lahat sila, di ba, nagamit nila lahat ng talent nila sa music video na yun. Lahat na kay Justin, di ba? Pinag-aralan niya yun eh. Alam mo yun, nag-practice na sila, habang sa journey sila hanggang magpunta sila sa mabigay sila ng opportunity no, para ma-showcase nila mismo yun. Yung paulit-ulit na pina-practice nila or paulit-ulit na nag-ensayuhan nila, no?
nag-train sobrang galing. Pagpasok niya ng ring, knockout yung kalaban. Walang difference. Lalo ko na-appreciate ang isang artist na alam kong pwedeng magyabang pero hindi nagyayabang.
This was
At the same time, okay. Nawala sa isip ko eh, no? No, diba? Ang daming issue nito mga nakaraan na, I mean, SB19, parang copycat, or SB19, hindi kayo welcome sa genre to, man. But come on, the GOAT itself, man. Glock 9, no? As ang daming sagigilid dyan, kung ano na pinagsasabi, pero si Glock 9 na mismo,
also the time when I found them. Their music made a difference in my life. It gave people happiness. Their music inspired us to become a better version of ourselves despite our imperfections. SB19 taught us not to only raise our own flag, but to wave it proudly. Not to only raise our own flag, but to wave it proudly.
Wave it. Proudly. Nice. The wave. Let's
Oh, I almost forgot. I'm sorry, Pinuno, but you gotta hang in there till the next episode, okay?
Bullshit.
Casual stuff, man. Another banger again. And the team, no? The team. Alright, well again, that's SB19 Story Episode 3, man. And the wave, man. Very inspiring talaga. No? So basically, Episode 3 is like yung umpisa na you know, yung nagbibigay siya ng wave, no? Ng, ano nila, tawag ito? Nag-iingay na sila, no? Na tumutulog yung pangalan nila, paangat ng paangat, no? Parang galing sa isang lindol na yun man, parang yung tubig, di ba? Bumabalik siya, tapos nagipon ng tubig hanggang magkaroon ng malaking wave like a tsunami, no? So, yun, ito yung episode 3 na yun, no? Yung panimula ng pag-angat nila, ng pagkalat, no? ng wave, ng pagkalat ng pangalan nila. And again, it's a very inspiring episode, no? Lalo na nga dito sa mga nangangarap, and makakuha ka dito ng ng inspirasyon. Lalo na kung ikaw mismo isang artist, man. I mean, katulad ko, no? I mean, again, I have a family, I have a job, no? I'm doing this YouTube reaction, no? Pero at the same time, I still want to be a rapper, no? To tell you honestly, hindi ko naman gustong maging sikat. I mean, siguro, I'm not a hypocrite. Sinabi kong hindi ko gustong maging sikat, no? Like, sikat, no? Pero, before that, mas gusto kong marinig muna or mas marinig ng marami yung music na ginagawa ko, no? Bago ako maging sikat. Di ba? Ayoko yung magiging sikat ako, pero hindi yung music na ginagawa ko. Doesn't make sense. Alam mo yun? Parang, like yung ibang tao na di ba, gawa sila ng mga rage bait na videos, di ba, o ginagawa nila controversial yung mga sarili nila para sumikat sila. Alam mo yung sumisikat sila dahil sa mga bagay, hindi talaga dahil sila silang may ipapakita o may talent silang, you know, yung mga ganun, di ba? So, like SB19, right? Di ba? So, totoo niya, ang dami nilang chance para gumawa ng parang rage bait na videos or maipag-away sa social media para gumawa ng ingay, di ba? Kasi dami nilang basher, di ba? Dami nilang basher sa umpisa. Kaya nilang gawin yun, di ba? Para magkaroon sila ng pangalan. Pero I mean, bakit? Why waste your time for that if you actually have a talent, no? But yeah, again, that's a very inspiring, no? Very inspiring episode. Enjoy yun, no? Feel good lang, no? Na episode, dito, napakaganda niyang, medicine na episode para doon sa episode 2 na medyo triggering, no? But yeah, sana gusto niyo yung episode natin ngayon. Don't forget to subscribe. Gusto mo lang sabihin yung artist, singer, rapper, song, magigala tayo dyan. Comment down below. And that's for me today. See you on my next video. Stay awesome. Peace.